Connection terminated.
Have some more chicken. Have some more pie. It doesn't matter if it's boiled or fried. Have some more chicken. Have some more pie. It doesn't matter if it's boiled or fried. Have some more chicken. Have some more pie. It doesn't matter if it's boiled or
But you know it's gay, don't you? Perhaps you didn't realize it yet. Just because I like femboys doesn't mean that I'm gay. You can't play games without a joystick. You reached the pinning night.
Holy, is it true you hit a kid at the Minecraft movie?
Well, Peter went fucking nuts, T. Kid came at me screaming chicken jockey or some shit. I got a right to defend myself. You're not gonna believe this, but we're stuck in this Minecraft bullshit. It gets worse. We're freezing to death, and those cube-headed pricks attack Chrissy. These bastards got tools, T, and they ain't afraid to use them. You gotta come get us.
Did you know for sea salt, I need you sea salt? I always say the wrong names all the time, like invisible and...
First bun, then patty, followed by ketchup, mustard, pickles, extra onions, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, nuts, axle, mustard.
What'll it be, fellas? Mustard?
Tired of this shit, man. Let's show what I made of. Let's get it. Hey, look.